Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we will discuss some past paper questions of symmetry. So, as you can see this question, write down the order of rotational symmetry of this diagram. So, as you know, the order of rotational symmetry of the square, this is a square, is 4. So, you can see, like, let me tell you how. Starting point, write the starting point, and you have to turn the page, you have to rotate the page actually, and you have to check that what is the order of rotational symmetry of this shape, of any shape that is given in your exam. So if you will start rotating, 1 you can see exact same shape, 2 you can see exact same shape, 3 you can see exact same shape, and 4, and the final look at this shape that you can see this is also the exact same shape. So it means that order of rotational symmetry of this diagram is 4. So now you can write here 4. This is a way how you can check order of rotational symmetry of any diagram by rotating your paper. So on the diagram, draw all lines of symmetry. So how many lines of symmetry of this shape? You can see this is the line of symmetry. This is also the line of symmetry of this square shape. This is the line of symmetry, and this is the line of symmetry of this shape. So it means there are 4 lines of symmetry of this shape. Okay, next question. Complete the statement that diagram has rotational symmetry of order. So again you can see that how you can check by rotating your page. First of all, write here starting point. Start rotating your page. So this is not the same shape. This is the exact same shape one time. This is not the same shape, and the second time you can see 2 times. If you will rotate uh, if you will rotate it 2 times, you can see that this will become exactly same shape. It means its order of rotational rotational symmetry of this shape is 2. So you will write here 2. So on the diagram, draw all lines of symmetry. So all lines of symmetry of this shape is this one, and this one. These are the exact line of symmetry of this shape. Okay, third question. Write down the order of rotational symmetry of the diagram. So in this diagram, these are the colored blocks that is blurred. We can't see here. So these are the colored blocks in this diagram. So now we have to write down the order of rotational symmetry of the diagram. So how we will write order of rotational symmetry of this diagram? Let's check. This is the starting point. We will start rotating our page. 1, 2, we can see exactly same shape. 3 and 4. Now second time we can see exactly same shape. So it means order of rotational symmetry of this diagram is 2. Okay, next question. The diagram shows a regular pentagon and a kite. Complete the following statement. The regular pentagon has dashed lines of symmetry. Regular pentagon has 5 lines of symmetry. Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So it has 5 lines of symmetry. So by using that rule, the rule of regular polygons, you can write it directly. You can write directly the lines of symmetry of regular polygon. So the kite has rotational symmetry of order dash. So the kite has rotational symmetry of order 1. We can see 1, but you also have to check by rotating your page. This is not the exact shape. This is not the exact shape. This is not the exact shape. This is the exact shape at the last. So it means its rotational symmetry is 1. So you can write 1. So as I told you, the 1 and 0 rotational symmetry is the same. So you can write 1 or 0. Both will be uh, correct. Question number 5. A quadrilateral has one line of symmetry and no rotational symmetry. Write down the name of this quadrilateral. That is kite. So just you have to remember it. A quadrilateral has rotational symmetry of order 2 and no lines of symmetry. Write down the mathematical name of this quadrilateral. That is parallelogram. Question number 7. Parallelogram, trapezium and rhombus is given to you. Write down which of the following shape has rotational symmetry of order 2, no line of symmetry. So parallelogram has no line of symmetry, you have to remember, because if you will draw a line, so it will not, this corner will not overlap on this corner. So it will overlap here somewhere. So it means that there is no line of symmetry of parallelogram. And a rotational symmetry of order 2. Parallelogram has rotational symmetry of order 2. It means its answer will be parallelogram. Okay. Question number 8. Quadrilateral, square, regular, pentagon, parallelogram, hexagon, circle names are given to you. From the list, write down the shape which has more than 6 lines of symmetry. So circle has more than 6 lines of symmetry. The shape which has both acute and obtuse interior angle, that is parallelogram. Question number 9. Okay, this is the question of similar triangles. Question number 10. Shape is given to you. On the shape, draw the lines of symmetry. So lines of symmetry of this shape is this one and this one. Two lines of symmetry of these shapes are. So write down the order of rotational symmetry of the shape. So how we will write the order of rotational symmetry of this shape? As we can see that order of rotational symmetry of this shape is 2. You can also check by rotating your page. Okay. So write down the order of rotational symmetry of this shape. So let's check. We will start from this point. Rotate your page. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So it has 8 rotational symmetry. Order its order is 8. Okay, next question. Write down the order of rotational symmetry of this shape. So same, this is the same question. Okay, write down the letters in the word above that have exactly one line of symmetry. So as I told you the line of symmetries of alphabets in previous video. So exactly one line of symmetry is of E, A, and here you can also see that B's both these bars are exactly same. It means that B has also one line of symmetry here. So it means B will also be included. So E, B and A. Rotational symmetry of order 2 is of Z. So Z will be the answer. Add one line to the diagram so that it has two lines of symmetry. Okay. So you can complete the shapes. This one and B part. Add two lines to the diagram so that it has rotational symmetry of order 2. So it can be this one or it can be any shape, like it can be this one and this one, or it can be this one. Okay, so 16, write down the order of rotational symmetry of this shape. So 2. Order of rotational symmetry of this shape is 2. You can see right here start. So start rotating. This is the first time and this is the second time. You can see the same shape. So the order of rotational symmetry of this shape is 2. Draw the lines of symmetry on this shape. This one and this one. So these are the lines of symmetry of this shape. Okay, so remaining questions you can complete by yourself. One more question I will explain you. Um, okay, let's discuss this question. Shade one more small square so the diagram has one line of symmetry. So here you have to check that how we can where we can shade one more small square. So one line of symmetry, as you know that it has four lines of symmetry. This is a square. So you can draw each line and check. First of all, if I will draw this line of symmetry, I have to color two boxes, this one and this one. So they are saying that shade one more small square. It means that this is wrong line of symmetry. So after that, if I will draw this line of symmetry, so I need to color this one, and this one and this one. Four boxes I need to color according to this line of symmetry. So it means this is also wrong. So now I can check other one, this line of symmetry. So you can see that this is overlapping on this. This is already colored. This is overlapping on this square. These are already colored. For this we need to color this part. So it means that we just need to color this box with this one line of symmetry. Okay, part B, shade one more small square so the diagram has rotational symmetry of order 2. If the order is already given in the question, so what we have to do, we have to divide this order with 360. 360 divided by 2 is equal to 180 degree. So we have to rotate this figure to 180 degree, and then we have to color shade the required part. So let's start. It means that we have to rotate it to 180 degree. Start from here, and after that you have to remember that which squares are colored. So you can write here, from right side write one row, and write second row first. From right first row and first box, and from right second row and first box, and from left bottom left upper right. From bottom left last box is colored. So you can just remember. So now you have to start rotating. How you have to start rotating? This is 90 degree, this is 180 degree. It means that now what we have to do, color the required parts. These two boxes were colored, so last box was also colored. So these boxes, this box is already colored, and now this is your required solution. So it means that you have to color this box. According to this figure, you have to color this box. So this is the way how you can solve these type of questions. So I hope you have understand that topic, and if you like my video, please share it with your friends and subscribe my channel. If you have any question, any query, you can ask me in comment section. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.